Right, hey everyone, I should be live, but let me know how my interview is because we didn't come to my calls because I have about 5 minutes before I have to get on the show. So either this works or it doesn't work. Need a media company, need a few for me. I was not ready to my video, and then we're going right into the then we're going immediately into the charts. Uh, Company generated video, Microsoft sounds very muffled. Hmm. Someone's saying it works good. Um, sound doesn't really streaming. Um, sorry guys, this is what it needs to be. This will only take 5 minutes because I wasn't even going to do a show today. It was a little too late for math. I'm at the airport right now. I have a flight in a few minutes. So just a quick live stream. Not even working with multiple monitors here. So I'm not even going to do anything. So the only reason I wanted to do is I wanted to point out with regard to an extension that I'm already called with an extension B here. So I remain on the record that we are pumping here. I know we've been consolidating for a little while, and that's great, but I have no interest in going long until we are above this line. I know this is technically above the line for like 3 seconds. That doesn't count. I'm gonna actually move the line up. Uh, we need to be closing above last night's high against the current candle's high. Until that happens, I'm gonna be skeptical. If that does happen, now we have a green star candle on the daily, but I will continue to view this weekly MRI top. I do not go long on weekly MRI tops for an entire week, and I rarely go long for weekly. So we are in a bull market. This is why I'm not in 100% cash at the moment. I'm only in 60, 40% cash, 60% position. And if we start to crash, I will lower this to 50. I may even lower it to 40. I um, taking this MRI top seriously. I know this candle is irrelevant at the moment because it's a 7-day candle and it only had about 12 hours. So the candle looking like a doji is completely irrelevant at this point in time. But I think this correction can be as low as $72,000. That's my low end of the fight. Um, and the daily chart, the longer we consolidate, the more bullish I will be. And once again, guys, you can look up David Overton, or you can look for one to see if there's a support. And I like this consolidation. I would like for this consolidation to last significantly longer. And by significantly longer, I don't think you can hear me. Some voice is not clear at all. Um, all right, let me try something else. No, I'm not gonna repeat what I said. I don't think it's next to me. This is why I don't like doing YouTube videos. I'm just using the computer mic now. This is probably going to be um, this is probably going to be a terrible mic, but um, you should be able to hear me better on the computer mic. Okay, it's 1,000 times better. Okay, so I'm not using the headphones mic. I'm using the just the laptop mic. Much better. So let me go back to the screen share. So what I was saying was I really like this consolidation. The longer we consolidate, the more bullish I get. However, this weekly MRI top is I'm taking it seriously. And if we start to fall down to like 87, I could go as low as 40% allocation and 60% cash. We're in a bull market. I'm never going 100% cash. And in the opposite direction, I would need a daily close above 92 and a half. I need to be 90% sure we're going to 100K. And I'm still on record that we're not going to 100K until next year. I think this pullback will happen. I think we're going to go down into the 80s, maybe even 70s. By the time it recovers, it's going to be Christmas time. So I'm going to force the market to prove to me that it's going to close above 92, maybe even close above 92 and a half before I go back to 100% longs or even leveraged longs. Until that happens, here's a 5-minute chart. I mean, a 5-minute chart looks interesting, but it also looked interesting, last night when I was going to bed. So that doesn't really mean anything. I'm gonna wait for the daily candle to be closing above 92 and a half. Other than that, I'm gonna stick with the position that I have. Let me see. This is the current bull trend, completely in line with the other bull trends. Let me look at some of the other markets here. I've been out adopting Bitcoin, so I've been super, super busy. Here's the oil chart. Wow, oil still going down. Interesting. Gold. Gold might have bottomed, and that's a good place for gold to bottom. Uh, I would be a buyer of the dip in this area. Otherwise, I wait for a green star candle. And probably at this point, gold would not be interesting to me until we close above this area, maybe even this area. I'm going to leave it here for now, and then we'll see. There we S&P 500. Was there a 10 a.m. reversal today? There was a little bit of a 10 a.m. reversal. We popped up at the open. We went down. This is a 5-minute scale. We fell into 10 a.m. 10 a.m. gave us a reversal candle, and at 9:55 gave us a reversal candle, and at 10 a.m. we started to go up. This remains looking very bullish to me in the S&P 500. Overall, you guys know I'm always bullish the S&P 500. And this is pretty much it for me. Um, the the ETFs continue to buy a lot of Bitcoin. Well, actually, only BlackRock continues to buy a lot of Bitcoin. The last 2 days had net selling, which is interesting considering the price was still pretty high. It's actually a really good sign. But look at where the selling is. The selling is in Fidelity and is in ARK. And BlackRock continues to buy Bitcoin ETFs. I'm going to update the spreadsheet soon. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. I will have a proper show with Matt McGregor tomorrow. It was already too late in Japan. And on this note, we're gonna call it a day. I'm taking this seriously. You guys don't have to take it seriously, but I'm taking this MRI top seriously. Bye, guys.